presented by Funky Sheet.
Oh, damn!
Giggity giggity, giggity goo.
Woo! Yeah! Excitement! So, for those of you who were unaware, I originally tried the whole Let's Playing stuff on my old channel. What is happening here? Oh, okay. Did it always take that long? I don't fuck. Anyway, start. On my old channel, I gave Let's Make a little shot. The channel itself was, in general, just, you know, a channel. It wasn't supposed to post anything or upload anything. It was so that I could like, comment, subscribe, all that type of shit. It wasn't actually a content-giving channel. But then I decided, try Let's Playing. I did 2 episodes of a game. This was the game. Donkey Kong Country. But, bitch, I did not say to restart. Yeah, so I never ended up finishing it. I just did those 2 episodes, and, you know, a couple months later I ended up creating Gopher. But, never finished it, so I've had people tell me that they'd be interested in me finishing Donkey Kong Country, so, yeah. Donkey Kong Country. We're here. Boom. Starting from the beginning, I'm not continuing where I left off my old channel, because, you know, it's on my old channel. Yeah. New one. Let's start this shit. Okay. I gotta make sure I'm getting... It's been a while. I guess a year or so, maybe. Maybe a little longer. Actually, probably a little longer, since I've played this, so... Oh. That is not where I was meant to go. There's a banana. It's in the upper part of this. There we go. In here. There's... Not banana. Balloon. See? Terminology. Balloon. Banana. Alright, let's drop down here. Walk away from me. Bitch. Oh shit.
Run.
It's coming back. That was an unexpected turn of events. Okay, how do I... There we go. I always use Diddy, you know, unless... Can I jump on this? Yeah, what's up here? Nothing? Uh-oh, okay. I usually stick to Diddy because he's faster, you know, jumping higher. The only times I usually go for Donkey Kong is... If there's like a big... Oh, I missed. If there's like a big enemy like this fucker... Oh, shit. Who cannot be killed by Diddy... Oh, fucking God. Just everything's going places today. What's up here? Okay. Probably could have made the jump, but fuck it. I don't know. I don't know, man. Secret. First secret. I know quite a bit of the secrets in Donkey Kong Country, but there's gonna be a lot that I'm gonna miss, you know. But, you know, maybe I'll get some that some of you viewers never knew about. And maybe I'll get some that, or miss some that you did know about. Probably more of the latter. But look at that, Jungle Hijinks, done. Boom, done. Ropey Rampage. In my original playthrough of this, on my old channel, I named the episode after this level. Good old Ropey Rampage. What is this for? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit! Okay, leave me alone. Leave me alone. That's not, what do I do with this? Is there nothing to actually... Okay. Seems weird this is here. You would think maybe they would have... Oh, fuck it. You know, man. Whatever. I don't care. I don't even care. Yeah. Fucking leave me alone. Okay. Oh, I missed. Sorry about that. Just a bit of... My throat's been a little sore for the past couple weeks. So, hopefully that's not too much of a problem. I had to start recording though. Fuck, which side? One of these I'm supposed to drop down. I think. This one. Nope, it was the first one. I knew it was one of those two little spots was supposed to be dropped down. I just didn't know which. And I made the wrong decision. So, it's always a good way to start a series. Making the wrong decisions. Over here. Oh, that counts as two of them now? Cause like, oh shit, nice. Okay. And that, and boom. Nice. Get some nanners. Good old nanners. Yep. Just nannering it up over here. Cool. That was a big jump. Well, not a jump. Oh, fuck. I fucked. God damn it. Oh, there we go. Yay, I'm not completely fucked. Oh, right. Are you... Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh. Shit. Oh, bitch. Do I... Or maybe... I gotta do it as donkey? Bitch, get out of the way.
Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
No. So, how do I... Can I don't get what the objective is here. Can I not use him to... No, I cannot. Okay. What? Up here. Okay. Now this one I jump off of. There we go. I got it, guys. Took me a little bit there, but I figured it out. I learned. Fuck this fucking creature. Get fucked. Cool. And G. Got the Kong. Oh, I missed the thing. Let's try that again. Take two. Nope. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Alright, 2 done. Ropey Rampage, done. Got good old Cranky here. You just go talk to him. Let's talk to Cranky. Fancy running into you two way out here. Does he have a rhino thing just chilling there? Is there a rhino inside that right now? Oh, I was reading, sorry. I was told that if you bounce on 8 consecutive baddies, you'll get an extra life. Make sure to shut the gate on your way out. I didn't raise you in a barn. I don't know, my throat. I went to a wrestling show, professional wrestling, somewhat recently. I thought it's been a little fucked since then. So, balloon, extra life, cool. Yeah, they just shoot the fuck out of there. Alright. Let's, there we go. Okay. Oh, whoa. Cool. What's out in here? Hi, buddy. I missed the buddy. Okay, how's our buddy? Hi, how you doing? How's it hanging? God, fucking throat. It's really just does not stop. 1 second.
Hey, Brian. If cops are pigs, does that make you a sausage?
Clever, Peter. Did you stay up all night writing that?
I got to bed around 2:30.
Okay. Just paused briefly to take a sip of a drink. Got some chocolate milk here. Hopefully will help my throat not be so shitty right now. Ooh. Oh, you dick. Will this one work? I don't think this will work. You gotta use the good one, not the fucking this. Oh, that worked. Cool. Don't expect that to work. Okay. Bananas. I think it's just that. Not really anything. Oh. Cool. Some extra bananas. Pretty cool. Good situation. Good stuff. Good banana-ing. Whoa. Calm the fuck down there, buddy. For those who have never played the Donkey Kong Country games, those golden things I've been picking up, there's the swordfish I just got, ostrich I believe I ran into, possibly a rhino. Those things, if you get 3 of them, 3 of like a specific kind, they take you to a like secret level thing. Well, not secret, I guess, but special thing, where you just, as whatever animal the golden thing was based off of, you just go around and collect coins in a certain amount of time. Bananas, sorry, used to stuff, anything down here? Yeah, you collect these fuckers, bananas, in the allotted time, and, you know, however many you get lives for each 100. So, a little bonus stage. Ofa. Okay, cool. God, I hate underwater levels in anything. Doesn't matter what it is, I just hate them. I mean, bitch, get back here. Get the fuck back. Motherfucker. Swordfish, dude. Whoa! God, buddy, thank you. Jeez. Dying of fucking throat. Where the fuck did the fish go? Oh, shit. God. My throat's like fucking me up here, and got this fucking asshole fish trying to get the fuck away from me. Swordfish. Piece of shit. Trying to get away from me. Alright, what we got? Bitch, yeah. Eat it. Halfway mark. Oh, hey, a shark. Look at this peaceful little fucker. Being all peaceful and dead. Killed him. Fucking killed him. He's no longer alive. You thought he was alive before? Not anymore. What? Why is it? Okay. Be free, I guess. Ooh. Whoa, oh shit. Ooh. Turn around the wrong second there. But it's okay. Okay. Get him. I can go through this side. Cool. Oh, another ostrich. Get one more of them. Ostrich? Is that what they are? I think that's an ostrich. Yeah, you fuckers just eat shit. Tremendous amounts, copious amounts even, of shit. Yeah, you fucking do your thing, you little dingus. And exit. Boom. 3 levels, done. Ooh, Flunky's fights. That's flights, not fights. That's, so you can go in between areas easily, but I'm in the first area. You have to unlock the other areas by getting to them, so it's pretty much just for, like, if you're later in the game and want to come back. Did I just skip half the level? Yeah, well, you know. Ah, shit. Hold on. There we go. Ooh, oh, here we go. 3 rhinos, here we go. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this. Boom. A lot of booming here. Oh shit, I'm falling. Excuse me. Oh, you don't get bananas, you get the tokens. Alright. It's all coming together now. Shit, get on the thing. I can't get on the thing. There's always, as well, in these areas, if I can get the fuck, I guess I can't get up there from there. In all these areas, they have a thing that doubles however many of those you get. I think in this one it's like on the other side of the big mountain. It's all the way to the right, but you have to like get to the top and shit. I didn't mean to do that. Whoa! I want to actually do it this time. What's down here? Okay. Ooh, what am I doing? Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't want to just skip through this time. Bitch, you're a dick. You know that? Whoa, chill. And chill. We. Cool. You know, I actually don't think I've ever done this part of the level, because it's just so obvious to go to the top part and skip through it. So, shit. Oh, okay. Barrels. Moving barrels. Oh, shit. I think... Yeah, cool. Wasn't sure about that one. You know, I was risking it, but... It was a risk that... Oh, hey, I got it. This is a weird place to put a fucking barrel. A Donkey Kong barrel. A little bonus area. You put a Donkey Kong barrel in it. How did I end up there? I don't know. World's strange. And swap. Swaparoo. Get the halfway. Oh, what's that? Oh, shit. Oh, should have waited till he jumped. Should have, but I didn't. Okay, cool. Now, I think it's up here. Yeah. All these secrets. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, that was like the worst one I could have possibly went with. Blow up. Now, in retrospect, I think blowing him up might have been an overreaction. A little bit unnecessary. I missed the K? It's the fucking K? But that's K. How do I miss K? Missing K is that's not right. You don't just miss K. Some bullshit. And eat shit. And also eat shit. Yeah. Got so many barrels and bees. Fuck bees. Ooh, anything up here? I can jump. Shit, yeah. Even though it's useless because I missed the K. But whatever. Can't. That's a save point. I don't need that. Very Naughty's Lair. The first boss. Already here. What's up? Get some. You getting some? I think you're getting some. Get some? Want some more? Get some. You done yet? No, get some more. Now you're dead. Boom. Done. Done. That's a big... God, fucking... That was a big Nintendo banana. So we're now at the Monkey Mines. Continuing that next time. You know, next episode we'll get to there. Get to some Monkey Mines. Start doing Monkey Mine things, okay? Monkey Mine things, people. Hopefully my throat gets better soon. I understand that hearing a bunch of throughout the episode is not a good thing to be hearing, but it happens. Shit happens. That's a nice boat in the background. I never noticed that boat to the left. Right in the middle of the left of the screen there. Never noticed that. Huh. Wait, is that the... That might be the thing that the game ends on, because the last battle takes place on a boat. So yeah. Ending it here. I'll continue next time in the Monkey Mines. For those of you who did see my original couple episodes I did of Donkey Kong Country before I made Giggity Gopher, I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as you did the original, or more. And anybody else? New people? Hope you're liking it. Yeah. See you guys next time. Donkey Kong.